Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some garden art with some old mountain bike gear. So what you're going to need for this is you're going to need an old tire. I happened to rip a pretty big hole in this tire a few days ago. Where is it? Somewhere around here. Yeah, that's right. It's right here. Got a pretty big hole in it, so I got a new tire, Maxxis. So I have no use for this now, and so like I said, you're gonna need tire, and then you're gonna need like some sort of plant, and then you're also gonna need some potting soil. So the first thing you're probably gonna want to do is find a place to hang your tire, and you're gonna want to get some potting soil and fill up the bottom. So it's like filled up, kind of like that. Then you're probably ready to put your plant in. So I'm just gonna dig a little hole, or make a little hole. Dirt, and gently pop it out. This over here. Pop them in the hole. After you put your plant in, you're ready for your final step. So the final step is just watering it. I'll just use my water bottle. Just water it in. You can use anything to water it in. Hose, spray bottle. Using my Art Cycler water bottle. Shout out to Art Cycler. Pretty great bike shop here in Slow. And I don't think succulents need that much water, so I should probably stop doing this, but yeah, there we go. Okay, done watering it. Now I just need to find a place for it in the sun, and we'll be good to go. And there's my mountain bike tire garden art.